Alright boys, new video. Check out what showed up in the mail today. Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. Today is a special day. Something has arrived in the mail that I've been waiting on. It's in this box. I've been looking forward to it. Well, there's a little spoiler. You can see what it is. I have been wanting a set of these for a while to try to step up the grilling game just a little bit, and they have arrived. Now, do we want to make this an unboxing video? Do we want to show you how to cut the box open? No, that's boring stuff. I'm going to pause the camera for just a minute and get the box cut open, and let's take a dive into these things. Take a look at them. Alright. We got the spatula. Bunch of papers. And the grates themselves. Now, I'm not sure. I'll have to actually do the unthinkable and read up on them a little bit. Where'd my light go? There must have been a cloud. I'm not sure if these things have to be, like if you have to put them on and season them or anything. I don't know. I've got to find out. So, if anybody's watching, I'm not going to use them till Friday. This is Tuesday. I'm going to get a chance to use them Friday. I'm going to go ahead and assemble them and put them on the grill. This is just a quick video to show you. Been wanting a set of these for a while. Finally got them in. The papers that came with it didn't really say. Well, would you look at that? I bet it'll be right in there. Okay, I guess I'm actually going to do the unthinkable and open the directions and read the owner's manual. But anyway, there they are, folks. If you don't know anything about them, join the club. I just knew I wanted to say it. I watch a lot of these guys on YouTube, and they make these things look really easy to use. The product they turn out looks really well. The food looks awesome. You can use them turned over this way or turned over this way. They do interlock, and here again, I'm one-handed. You can see how that works right there. They will interlock. It'll take two hands to do it. But anyway, interlock, I got enough to cover, well, you all have seen my grill if you've seen any of my videos. That'll cover about half or a little more of it. And then when you go to, hold on just a second. When you go to pick the steak or burger or whatever you're cooking, if you've never used a set of these, this allows you to get your spatula down in there to pick up on it instead of sliding underneath it. I believe it's going to be a pretty good improvement to our current setup. Our current grill top is cast iron, which if you've watched any of my other videos, once again, I'm a huge fan of cast iron cookware. Well, lo and behold, my grill has the cast iron grates, and I love it. Easy to clean, easy to take care of. Great. But these I wanted to set up just to try for certain applications. Look them up online. I'll put the contact information down below. There's some of it. Of course, you can contact them. You can get on there, all the normal places online, and find them. But anyway, I'll put the information down in the description. Anyway, it's a quick video. Just wanted to show you my new toy that I got. If y'all like the video, please like, share, subscribe, leave any comments. I am open to suggestions. If anybody out there has used these, had an issue with them, I would love to know it before I fire in and put food on it. Here again, I'll have to actually read the directions to see if they need to be seasoned or what. I am a blank page when it comes to these. I just knew I wanted to set to try. So anyway, I'll get out of here. Like I said, I'm going to get these on Friday and actually try to use them. I got a couple of things planned. So if you like the video, please like, share, subscribe. Once again, thank you for watching. God bless. Have a good day.